Okay, ano yan?
Okay, now that the ground beef is cooked, the next step to do is to put the ginger on it.
Ginger.
See?
So what's your recipe, by the way?
I don't know, it's called Gary's Imagination. So,
Okay. So what's in your ginger? Okay. So what's the purpose of ginger?
parang nasa kumakain,
Little bit spicy?
I would say.
Tagal naman.
The ginger has to be cooked.
Mwah. Okay ba?
Just wait for the